Alright, my people, now welcome back to Prince TV. For those of you when be like so never subscribe to this platform, if this is your first time of seeing this particular platform, just try to subscribe. It costs nothing, so that anytime I post my video, you will be the first person who will get this video. You know how it happens. So alright, before I give you this particular update, when I go give you an article, when I see how it happen now, so I go first of all give my own point of view. This is now the opportunity when it be like say people take get documents, because now the Italian government, they have tried to kind of like make this special protection in such a way that those ones who have been integrated in the country have to obtain this type of permit known as special protection, last for 2 years. All right, why are they bring this my own kind of like a point of view? Be say if you be like say you did for the Italian side, then since when you come here, because I know most of people since when they did for Italy, they never even go school made they get A1, just only common A1. So if you be like say you did for the countryside and then you expect to get documents, this period now the best time to get this document, because if you go check and you know say many people don't stay for this country many time, at the end of the day no documents. Why? Because it's in the heart. Okay, now we have to use this opportunity, because people don't like say we need to go see our family. We need to go see people who keep for us. More time of this maybe they don't lock us put for here. No, now because document never day. You get some people like say they go even go to their country, even they see money not day, but at least go see their family, all those kind of stuff. But based on document never come out, it can't be like saying a problem for the country now. So alright, now there is opportunity for people to get this special protection. That is to state that if you never participate anything since when you did for Italy, now this is the best time for you to go and look for something to do. If na voluntary work, to the work with Comune or to the work with Patronato, any voluntary work when relates to government work, try to do it. And for those ones who be like never go school to get A1, you still try to go to school when you get the A1. All these things now something when be like say you need to present when you go for your appeal or when you go for your commission. These two places. These things are the things where you need to present. And those ones when be like say don't work. When we like say our contract don't dey expired, or now keep all those booster paga and the contract when we don't dey expired it work. The day where you go for your commission, you carry everything along. All those things will give you a high opportunity to obtain this particular special protection. All right, man, given the article, then we go still explain more after the article. He said here, permesso per protezione speciale. Territorial Commission will not issue humanitarian protection again. That type of protection is cancelled. You understand? That is the humanitarian document you guys know already be cancelled away. He said here, however, the new decree provides that the permesso di soggiorno per protezione speciale can now be granted for a wide number of reasons. You understand? All right. He said also the permit will now last 2 years, while previously the protezione speciale permit lasted 1 year only. So now this particular special protection, like I told you guys past videos, that this document lasts for 2 years. Let's go a little bit forward. He said here, this permesso is now convertible to a work permit if eligible criteria are met. You understand? All right, he said here, and it allows you to stay in reception center if spots are available. You understand? All right, he said, who is now eligible for special protection? Here comes the question. Who is now eligible? Who go fit get this kind of special protection now if you go commission? Most you person go fit get now. So, all right, he said here, basically, this type of permesso can be granted to people who may face a branch of their rights to private and family life if sent back to their home countries. You understand? All right, he said, this means that if you have family ties or you are well integrated in social life in Italy, you may be eligible for this permesso. You see? Point when I want more to understand, because if they say if you face torture, human downgrading, all those kind of stuff, all those things, many people don't state them for commission, but still yet they not give them documents. But now the particular place where like say we go fit hold them now. So now this one where the state here said, if you are well integrated in Italy, if you are well integrated in the country, for you to be integrated, you must state some certificate which states since when it be like say you don't put your hand. For example, you go for the school, you get a certificate, that one big integration for one side. You there for the country, you don't work, even though say the work don't finish. It shows say you pay tax, the contract of the work day, your booster pack a day. That one in form of integration. you still dey work with a kind of like a voluntary work, give assistance to communal, those kind of stuff. You are still integrating. At the same time, you sabi dey speak the language, all those kind of stuff, social activities. At the same time, you are still integrating. So this one are the quality where you need to produce so that you get this special protection. More go a little bit forward, more see how it still dey happen. So, all right, he said here, this is not valid if the person is considered a threat to national security, public order, or health. You understand? All right, he said here, the law is recent and we still need to understand what it means and how it works in practice, but well, you understand? All right, so now this particular special protection, this particular place is trying to explain maybe now how to renew this document. They never know whether you go fit use contract or you go just fit renew the document without contract. So there are many things to understand in this special protection. But in time to wetin make me dey make this video now for people to dey serious to go do one or two things in order to obtain this document, because now if they say you have to get well integrated in the country, this state that you have to do something, you know, if you fold your hand and say you dey integrate, no, you have to bring something, a proof, a tangible proof where we like say the judge go see, he go say okay fine, this person you don't put hand for so thing like this now, so I think he wants to get the document. Let me say for example, we get most people like say with 6 months document, they get house contract, they get everything. Person like you, like say you did like that, just dey pray make the date or your commission reach. If you reach that day, the day of your if you just reach that day, carry your booster pack, carry all those your house contracts, go meet the judge. If you reach that place, you fit speak a little bit Italian to the judge, tell am say guarda ho stato qua quasi tanti anni senza fare problema, adesso c'ho contratto di casa, c'ho questo, c'è quello lì, cosa devo fare ancora? So you have to kind of like try to speak a little bit Italy so that they go believe, say yes, at least as you dey talk, they see say smoke they come out for your mouth. Say this one, you know what you need to do, it dey right. So that is to say you are ready to stay in the country. And then for that reason, they'll give you the special protection. So guys, this update now just something short to give encouragement to our people. May not be like say we did the country, document not they work, not they, but at least if you not get work now like this, now try to go to school. To register for the school, if you not get work, they no go collect anything for you. Now just to go for patronato, you register for the school. So then, if I know what it happen, 3 months, they don't give you the certificate. And then if you go for commission, you carry the certificate, they go. If you reach there, you give just okay, fine. I don't go to school for so a month, see my certificate. Definitely, they will consider you give you your 2 years document. So now so the update reach, now system let you know how it did happen. So if you there, you never subscribe to this platform, try to subscribe till next time again. We'll be together. I still remain your boy Prince TV. Ciao.
Oluwa